Hello and welcome to my course on web automation by Selenium WebDriver and Python. My name is Rohit and I'll be a tutor for this course. So in this course we are going to automate the process of sending a message to our Facebook friends, then Instagram followers and a LinkedIn connection. So we are going to write a message in our CSV file and our Python code will be able to automate this process of sending a message to a user. So first we will start with LinkedIn, and here we will just try to automate the process of messaging. Then we will automate the messaging on Instagram, and then at the end we will just try to automate the messaging on Facebook friends. So we are going to write a Python code that will generate this kind of a CSV file. So if you see here for Facebook, here we have a Facebook ID of the person, then we have a gender of that person, then we have a birth date and a birth year, and then we have two more columns for message and media. And remember, we have not manually created this CSV file, but our Python code will generate this kind of CSV file. That means if you have a 600 friend on your Facebook account, this Excel sheet will be filled with 600 data. So after you got this CSV file, you just need to change two columns, which is the message and media. So let's say if you want to send message to this user, you would mention here the message, and then along with the message, if you want to send any attachment, so here you would just write the path of that multimedia file, and then you would mention the name of the multimedia file. So after updating this CSV file, we would just execute our Python script, and our Python script will just send a message to a user one by one. That means whatever the message we have mentioned in that Excel sheet, our Python script will find that and will send a message to that particular user. So for Instagram also, we will just do a web scraping. That means we would just try to generate this CSV file, and here we would have all the details of the person whom we are following. So we would have Instagram ID of that person, then we will have a name of that person, then number of follower he or she has, and the number of following, and then we would have a two more column for message and media. So similar to the Facebook automation, here also we would just write a message and media, and then we would just execute our script, and our code will send a message to each of the person that we have mentioned in this Excel sheet. And similar automation we are going to do for LinkedIn as well. Feel free to take a look at the course curriculum and other preview videos. So we are going to learn all of this inside this course. Enroll now and I'll see you inside the course.